This year I had the opportunity to work for the Parkview Field for the Fort Wayne TinCaps. Everything I learned in the classroom pretty much translated into this job. Everything I learned from management to being able to manage my time well and just put in the work every day like I would in the classroom. This will help me in my career because honestly I got a great experience being a manager. Being able to manage so many people on so many different levels and different ages, I feel like that's going to help me tremendously throughout my future. And just being able to work with people who've been in this field for years and learn from them was extremely beneficial for me. How to deal with certain situations, how to deal with conflict resolution and those type of things. I feel like those are probably the biggest thing that I've learned and helped me throughout my internship. The staff there was amazing. Just being there with the fans each and every day, you never know what to expect. Bill, Maylee, Jordan, Alec, those are all great people to work for, work with. So I would say definitely if you choose to work for the TinCaps, you won't be disappointed. My best time that I had was probably when we had the Home Run Derby X. It was actually a lot greater experience because it was something different apart from just having a normal game day. Being able to have those past MLB stars come through and see the fans just enjoying it, it was definitely a great experience for me as well. You think that when you're in class, you know what you want to do, you know what field you want to go into, and then when you actually get into that field, you start to figure out like, okay, is this for me, is this not for me? Is this something that I really could see myself doing for the next 15, 20 years, maybe 10 years? I always say I wanted to go into sports, and sports is actually a very hard-working field to be in. You have to put in a lot of hours, and a lot of people don't know that until you actually get into the field and actually work. So I feel like that's probably the biggest thing that I've learned, and that's probably, I would say, internships it's very important to do. I love Manchester. The opportunities are endless. Everybody's willing to help you out. There's nothing you can't do. If you want to do something, then I'm pretty sure somebody will help you out to do what you want to do. So it definitely won't be a bad choice.